Hi everyone, welcome back to Infotech Fusion. Are you trying to install Windows 11 on your PC but you are getting an error like this PC doesn't meet minimum requirement? Okay, so don't worry. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process how to bypass this error. So stay tuned, let's get started. You need to select language and then your time and currency format and then click the next. After that, keyboard mode also you need to select and then you need to select install Windows 11 and click on I agree. Here in this page I don't have any product key, so I am clicking on I don't have product key. After that, in few minutes it will ask to select the edition of Windows 11. So in my case I am going to go with Windows 11 Pro. So I am selected Windows 11 Pro and click next. And here it is the error. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. So let's get started. So what I am going to do, I am going to close it and going to restart my system. Need to follow the same procedure, language and time currency. You need to select your region. There is India. I selected India and then clicking next. Here you need to select keyboard and then you need to select install Windows 11. In this product key page, press Shift plus F10 in your keyboard and it will take to command prompt screen. Here you need to type REGEDIT and then hit enter. It will open Registry Editor. Under that you will find H key local machine option. You need to expand that folder. Once you expand, you need to expand the system folder also. Under that system folder you will find setup. Under this setup folder, we need to create one key folder, new key folder. For that you need to right click and then select new and then click on key option. And you need to give a name LabConfig, means LabConfig, but the word of LabConfig will be one word. L is capital letter, C is capital letter. After giving this name, if you click on this, in right side you will find only default file. Here you need to create a new file. To create the new file, right click new and then select dword 32-bit value and give the name bypass TPM check. After giving this name, we need to create another file similarly. For that you need to right click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value and the name we need to give is bypass secure boot check. And remember, capital letter should be B, S, B, whatever capital letter I am giving in this screen, same you need to follow. After this process, you need to double click on that and that you need to change the value from 0 to 1 and click OK. For both files you need to do the same. You need to give the value 0 to 1 and then click OK. And after giving this, you need to click file and exit that screen. In command prompt type exit and then hit enter. And you will come to the screen where we left. I click I don't have a product key. After that, it will ask for selecting Windows Edition. So I selected it. Now if you see, we have bypassed successfully that PC check option. So it came directly to license agreement and we accepted it, and it will automatically start installing Windows 11. And that's it. You have successfully bypassed the system requirements check and started installing Windows 11. Thank you.